Yeah, hello friends. Welcome back to our Let's Learn Trading channel again. So today we are going to have a look at an option trading strategies for beginners. Okay, so for both intraday and swing strategies using calls and puts. Okay, so if you look at what is a strategy and why we need a strategy is because anyone can simply buy options, but to win consistently in option trading, right, we require an strategies. So in this video we'll be going to be learning a few basic strategies to trade as intraday and swing trading for an option strategies. Okay, so before we dive into one option strategy, just a quick recap of our previous videos. Okay, so ATM is at the money and OTM is out the money and ITM is in the money. Premium, which refers to an option price, and stop losses and capital protected tool. Okay, so which is the price where we'll find out like when we at which level we should come out of the trades kind of. So now first in our option trading strategies, first we look for an options trading strategies for an intraday. Okay, so simply we are going to buy and call option if market is moving up, and if it is going down, then we are going to buy a put option. Okay, so just for an example, maybe I'll go with an example of a bank nifty because bank nifty is bit volatile index compared to a nifty, and then here I'll choose a 15 minutes candle. Okay, and what we can simply do is whenever the previous day's high breaks on the upside, then we will be going to buy an at the money call option, and if it is going to break previous day's low, then we are going to buy a put option. Okay, so if you look at, so today it is 2nd of July 2025. Okay, and this is not a trade recommendation, it is just an example. Okay, so if you look at, so this on first of July, so we can see that, so this is the low. Actually this candle makes a low, because if you look at, so from this candle to this candle is the 1st of July, so this is the candle which is at low level. If you look at the low is at 57,150. So whenever bank nifty breaks above 57,150, or the high which is 57,530, if it breaks at upside, we'll be going to buy a call option, or if it breaks 57,150 on the downside, then we'll be going to buy a put option. Okay, and in the intraday always ignore the first candle. Okay, so it'll have a gap up, gap or gap down, so we should ignore the first 15 minutes candle for a better confirmation. Okay, so after that we can see that, so if you look at 57 150 levels, right, so you can come to a conclusion that this is the candle which is going to break it around 12:30. So if you look at the close of this price, 57 120. Okay, so I'll be going to open 57 100 put option of an July expiry. Sorry, I should type Bank Nifty 5700. I'll just open the monthly contract first. Okay, so if you look at today at 12:30, so the close of this candle is at around 691 rupees. Okay, if at all we might have entered at 12:30 in the put option, because the market is going down. So if it is going down and if you want to make a profit, we should go with the put option buying. That's what we discussed in the previous video. Okay, so market is going down, so we have to buy a put option, and it made a breakdown of previous day's low at around 12:30 p.m. today. So if you look at 12:30 p.m. At the money option, which is 5700 put option, it is trading around 691 rupees at close. So if at all we have entered into at this put option at 691 rupees, you can see here now the time is around 2:41, and it is trading around 780 80 level. Okay, so with almost around 100 points of a profit nearby. So this is for an monthly options. Same like in Nifty we have a weekly option, but in Bank Nifty we don't have an weekly option. So for a Bank Nifty we should always go with the monthly options only, and in Nifty we can go with either weekly options or with a monthly options as well. So to buy one lot of this, okay, so we might have bought it at around 691 rupees. Okay, so 691 rupees. For that, the quantity of this particular Bank Nifty for one lot is 35, which we have discussed in the previous one, previous section as well. Okay, so which is the options and futures will come with a lot quantity. So for one lot, it is 35 quantity, and we cannot buy or sell 36 or 37. Okay, it will never allow us to buy it. Okay, so because the predefined lot size is 35. So to buy this 35 quantity of Bank Nifty 5700 put option for at the price of 691, you need 24,185 rupees approximately. Okay, and if you want to buy two lots, you can just buy with the count of 35 only. Okay, you can see that from 35 it made to 70, and now it is at 105, and if I want to buy four lot, then it will be the quantity will be 140. You can see that for four lot we need around 96,000 rupees. Okay, so if at all we have bought one lot at 691, and now the mark this particular put option is trading around 788. Okay, so which is almost 100 points of profit near to. So for one lot, if at all we have bought it, we might have be getting the profit of around 3,500 rupees in one day with 24,000 rupees. Okay, so this is the beauty of options. We can multiply the options. We can multiply our margins or capital very faster way in options, and also the reversal can also happen. Okay, so there is a disclaimer that option buying can even easily wipe out our uh, capital, and also it can give us a multifold of an capital as well. Okay, so with the 24,000 getting 3,500 in a single day, it's a good position, good trade actually. Okay, so this is one of the intraday trade. If the market is going to break its previous day low, then we will be going to buy an at the money put option, and if it is going to break a previous day high, then we are going to buy a call option, and we should be ignoring the first 15 minutes candle. Okay, and until unless you are much more comfortable with these options, never go for stock options, and I'll always stick to one Nifty and Bank Nifty index options only. Tomorrow we'll look into an different option strategies. Okay, so that's it for today, and uh, hope you guys are liking our video. So if you have any suggestions, or if you have any ideas or any information you need specific to this option tradings, all those stuffs, you can just feel free to do a comment on that videos. Okay, and do like our videos, and if you're not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, then please do subscribe to our Let's Learn Trading YouTube channel as well. And we have our Telegram and Twitter handles links available in the description, so please do subscribe there as well, so that whatever the no informations we post in the future terms, you'll be going to get it there as well. Okay, so thanks everyone for watching, friends, and see you tomorrow with a different strategies for an options. Thank you.